Hello friends, myself Ravi and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will learn about decorator, the different types of decorator and where to use the decorators. So without getting late, let's dive into the tutorial. So an Angular decorator is a function using which we attach metadata to a class, method, accessor, property or parameter. Okay. We apply the decorator using form @expression where expression is the name of decorator and the decorator are TypeScript features and still not part of JavaScript. So it's saying that we use decorator as a function and decorator is syntactically denoted by using @ as a prefix to the decorator, and decorator is a TypeScript feature. It is still not part of the JavaScript. Let me give you one example of the decorator, then you will get a better idea. This is my app root component. Okay, and if I go to app component.ts, here you can see @component. Okay, so if you see, this is a component decorator. Don't worry about what is component decorator. I will definitely tell you in the later part of this video. So if you see here, this is a component decorator and @ is a prefix added to this component decorator, and these all are the metadata about the component. So these are the like selector, the styles, the HTML that are used for the component. So that's one example of a decorator. Now let's take a look on the types of decorator. So there are basically four types of decorator. The first one is class decorator, second one is property decorator, third one is method decorator, and fourth one is parameter decorator. We will see one by one what are these decorators and what are the examples of these decorators. So now let's take a look on the decorators hierarchy. As I have already told you, decorators are of four types, that are class decorator, property decorator, method decorator, and parameter decorator. We apply class decorator to the classes with @ng module, @component, @injectable, @directive, and @pipe. So these are the decorators that you can apply on the class. Okay. Now second is the property decorator. So property decorator are applied on the property of classes. So the examples of the property decorator are @input, @output, @content child, @content children, @view child, @view children, @host binding. So these all are the list of decorators that you can apply on the property. Okay, now we have method decorator. So this is @host listener decorator, which we can apply on the methods. Okay, the last one is parameter decorator. So @inject, @self, @skip self, @optional. So these all decorators can be applied on the parameter of the methods. Okay, so this is the different types of decorators, and we have also seen what are the different examples of each decorators. In the upcoming videos we will see @input and @output decorators, which are used to transfer the data between the component. It is used for component interaction. So we will take a look on that in the upcoming video. So that's it for this video. If you have any doubts regarding this tutorial, please comment it below. I will definitely try to answer it. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel to get more updates. Thanks and have a nice day.